Welcome back to Cj2a Classic Car Channel. Today we're putting the front brakes, bearings, all that good stuff back on the front axle. Join me in the adventures. Alright, so first off, we have made a little sub-assembly of the wheel bearing, the seal, and then obviously the brake. Before we put this on, however, we're going to spray this down with brake cleaner so we have a nice fresh start. Alright, so we sprayed the brake cleaner in there and got it nice and fresh. Now we're going to put it on. Alright, so we're going to try to fit this nice and on here. Put a little grease on the shaft, and that slid right on. That's exactly what we wanted. Now we're going to refer to our diagram. So that was this, and all of that. So next up is our bearing. We got a brand new bearing, patted it full grease, and we're going to put it in there, kind of like so. Alright, so we kind of have it in there. I'm just going to kind of push it in as far as we can. Have a fresh new front spindle kit that we are going to use. We'll keep the old one for spares, but we bought them, so we might as well use them. So first up is this one. Spray a little cleaner on there, get that nice and clean, and then put that on. Alright, so we got it clean. We'll line up the notch. There we go. There we go. Then we take one of these giant nuts and screw it on there. Okay, so we have our next spacer. We put the bend out, so we just line it up with that groove. Then we have our next big nut here. We'll get that started, hopefully. And then we're going to torque that down to 50 foot-pounds, 45 foot-pounds. There we go. That's that. Where to have the torque ramp set. There we go. And that is that. Next we put the hub on the front. Next up we have a fresh new gasket to go on our hub here. See if we can get that thing to go down over it. Don't quite want to go. Not sure that's quite the right one, but we're going to roll with it. There we go. And you got to line up the splines. Like so. Alright, next up we're going to put the bolts around. Alright, next up we have our seal or washer, whatever you want to call it, and castle nut. We'll give it a couple chug-a-chugs. Trying to see where the holes are. The cotter pin. Alright, it's straight up and down now. There we go. Alright, I think I found one. Yep, there we go. Didn't have many, but I only need one. Make the magic happen. There we go. There we go. All done. We're good to go. I'm going to cover it back up. Just to keep critters and rain from getting on it. So we put the wheel back on. There we go. On to the next one. Alright, here we are on the other side. Now these are the old bearings, and this is the side that gave us trouble. But hopefully she'll slide right on. She did. Alright, next up we got the repacked old bearing. I'll slide that back in there. Very good. Now we're going to put the nut and all that in there. Alright, so we have got a brand new front spindle kit for this one as well. At some point while we were ordering parts, I ordered one for each front so that we could replace them at some point. And so here we go. This one's a little different. It's not black oxided like the other one, but it should be alright. Okay, so we're just lining up that notch again. Pushing it back. Take one of our shiny spindle nuts. Take our special socket. Alright, so again, we're going to torque it down. We said 45, right? Something like that. There's that. Alright, we got it clean. Again, tab out. Clean that up real quick. Just a quick shot of brake cleaner. It's good. So we backed it off just a little bit. We're able to get the screws in. Now we're using the screws to take it on home. She turns. That's a good sign. Next up, we'll find our little washer right here. I'm going to turn that thing straight up and down. Get the cotter pin in, a crown nut. Come on. It does not feel like it's on there correctly. There it is. Just like that. You can needle nose. Take that on home. Just bending it around. Same with this one. It's not this size. I'll get another Jeep. I'll have to get some more cotton pins. Alright. And then the cap. There we go. We're going to cover her up. And we're done. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.